I just finished filming a moving mudra series for the ventral vagus activation, and it reminded me that I wanted to film a video for all of you about how to increase the effectiveness of your mudras. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for enhancing your mudras. Number 1, the practices are cumulative. The mudras become more effective through frequency and duration. So let me explain. The longer you spend in the mudra, the more you increase its potency. The more frequently you practice the mudra throughout the day, the more you will experience its promised results. So when you practice the mudra repetitively over days, over weeks and months, you're going to experience more and more benefits over more and more prolonged repetition. Number 2, posture matters. Posture matters. Because mudras affect the energetic and subtle body, the more time we take to align our body, the more effective our mudra is going to be. So taking time to bring our body into proper alignment brings our body into equilibrium and harmony and realigns your nervous system. So this is important whether you're lying down to practice your mudras or sitting up. So align your body. Number 3, breathing also matters. Breathing matters. There's a saying in Qigong that don't put clean water in a dirty glass. When you begin your mudra practice, it can be beneficial to exhale vigorously a few times to release that stale and stagnant energy from your body and to make room for what you want to receive. So breathing really matters. Another tip for your breathing, allow a pause between your inhale and your exhale to lengthen. It's said that the inner powers are developed during the pauses on every level. Pauses. So if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd love it if you gave me a thumbs up and put "I'm developing my inner powers" in the comments. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And for more videos about how to attune to your subtle body, subscribe. So if you go to melissawest.com/mudras, I'll send you a PDF of my 9 most requested mudras right to your inbox as well. So that's my gift for you today. Now the final tip about breathing is that if your mudra is meant to increase energy, focus more on your inhalation. And if your mudra is meant to calm and relax you, then focus more on your exhalation. Number 4, vary the pressure of your fingers. So as you hold the mudras, put your attention on your hands and your fingers and notice the gentle pressure where they're touching each other. So this is mindfulness. This is intention. And there's a saying that's almost become cliche that where attention goes, energy flows. But it's true, right? So this is one of my favorite tips for tuning into your subtle body with your mudras. And you can experiment as you hold your mudra with increasing the pressure a little bit on your inhalation and letting go a little bit on the exhale, and vice versa. You can experiment with letting go a little bit of the pressure on the inhale and then pressing a little bit harder on the exhalation. And notice which variation allows you to be more present and to feel more the flow of energy through your mudras. So experiment. Let me know what happens. Number 5, remember that mudras work best when we take that precious pause for self-connection to draw into ourselves. So we need to plan our days and our time within our days. So we have a sabbatical from our phones and from our computers. And remember that this is a sacred and beautiful practice, and we treat it with reverence. So this is time away that can be a generous retreat from the busyness of our lives. So treat it as a sacred practice. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you found this video on how to increase the effectiveness of your mudras supportive. And I appreciate you being here. I loved making this video. It was so fun. Namaste.